Hey guys, here is a Casablanca Delta II ceiling fan in polished brass. I got this fan off of Facebook Marketplace the other day for a pretty cheap price. This fan is from September 20th, 1993, and it was the 162nd fan made that day. This fan came 100% complete. It's in pretty decent shape for what it is. It does have a small issue on low speed. I think maybe a capacitor might be going bad. Because it barely even turns. Came with all the hang tube pieces and everything, so yeah. I'll fire it up. Start off with low. Just hit the camera. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's not going to go very fast on low, so I'm assuming there is an issue. Not sure if the camera's still straight. Yeah, that's about up to speed on low. Turn it up to medium since that's all it's going to do. Has slight bearing noise. You could probably hear that. Moving some good air though. And high speed. Of course, does a good job on high. Blades here. I'm not sure what the blade finish is on this. One of you would have to tell me. I know it's not oak, it's something else. Here's the tag. Top. There's not really much else to talk about this fan. Typical Casablanca. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.